Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your Google Ads campaigns with Amazon. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To optimize your Google Ads campaigns with Amazon data, first, gather relevant keywords from your Amazon product listings. Focus on terms that have high search volume and demonstrate strong relevance to your offerings. Next, analyze your competitors on Amazon. Identify their top performing products and keywords to understand market trends. Once you have your keywords, create a Google Ads account if you don't have one. Set up a new campaign and select the campaign type that aligns with your goals. For most businesses, a search campaign works best to capture user intent. Input your chosen keywords into the relevant ad groups within your campaign. Be sure to include both broad match and exact match keywords to maximize reach. Write compelling ad copy that highlights your unique selling points. Incorporate Amazon Insights into your messaging to leverage customer trust. Next, set a competitive bid based on your budget and business goals. Use Amazon's average cost per click for guidance on bidding strategies. Monitor the performance of your ads regularly. Look for metrics like click-through rate, conversion rate, and cost per conversion. Adjust your keywords and bids based on this performance data. Consider using negative keywords to filter out irrelevant traffic. This will help improve your ads' efficiency and lower costs. Utilize remarketing features to re-engage visitors who didn't convert initially. Track your conversions carefully by setting up conversion tracking in Google Ads. Analyze the data to determine the return on investment for your campaigns. Finally, continually refine your ads based on ongoing performance insights. Test new headlines, descriptions, and keywords to improve results. By consistently optimizing your Google Ads campaigns with Amazon Insights, you can enhance your overall digital marketing success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.